Unfortunately, our stay here at Spinoza has come to an end, but luckily for us, it's not the end of our Mozambique trip yet. So it's time to pack. So stay tuned to see where our next accommodation is. Good morning, explorers. It's currently just after 7 in the morning. We left Spinoza and Tofo at around 5:30, and according to the GPS, we'll be in Shai at around 9:30 for a pit stop. But in this episode, we're going to show you our accommodation in the middle of absolutely nowhere, but we're also going to explore Macaneta.
Are we there yet?
Nope.
Welcome to the most beautiful Limpopo River. Guys, the road can get very long and tiring between the towns. The people drive like pain in the butts, and the pedestrians can get quite hectic in the smaller towns. But passenger princesses, keep your drivers awake.
Okay.
Play some lucky music, keep them entertained and awake, and enjoy the journey.
5 minutes later.
When the passenger princess falls asleep, who must keep who awake now?
We are driving in the middle of a sugarcane field. It is absolutely beautiful. Didn't expect sugarcane to be here. And we are taking the first route to our accommodation. There's two routes. Our route is coming from the north. And later in this episode, we will show you the second route to our accommodation. We are almost there. 3 kilometers of sand road, so we are stopping to deflate our tires to 1 bar or 1.5 when we are loaded. The descriptions or the directions the lodge give you is very nice and informative. So let's deflate and get it on with. Bom dia! Boa tarde! Está, babe? Como está? Como está? Está, babe?
Guys, and welcome to Machubo Beach Resort. We are staying in Casa Duna. This unit can sleep 12 people in 4 rooms with 2 bathrooms with a nice big open plan kitchen and even a swimming pool with a sea view. We arrived about 2 hours ago. It is insanely hot today. It was like over 40 degrees, so we unloaded the bakkie, had a quick swim in the pool, so now it's just time to relax. Okay guys, so the other house is right there. You can see the roof sticking out there. This is the lodge restaurant area, and underneath here they have a whole bunch of single room units, but unfortunately you need a 4x4 to get here. As you can see, the sand all around here is very soft sand, so you need a 4x4 to get to this place. But I must say, it is pretty awesome to be here. They also have a whole bunch of very nice camping spots with like a communal area where you can braai and all kinds of stuff like that. So we are on the way to the restaurant area so we can show you everything they have there. And we are very thirsty at the moment. It is still super hot outside. So just to show you guys the campsites, there's a nice braai area there in the corner, and then each campsite comes with its own ablution, and it's like a bit fenced off for the wind and the weather. So the campsites are very nice, and there's 15 of them. We asked the owners if we can have a look at the other unit up here, and they said no problem. So this is also a 4-bedroom unit with, it seems like, 2 bathrooms. The only thing that makes this one different to the one we are staying in, this one has a bit of a better sea view. As you guys can see here through the window, there's a bit more view, but they don't have a splash pool on this side, so we opted for the one with the splash pool because we knew it was gonna be hot in Mozambique. The nice thing is, if you decide to chill on the beach, you can come straight up the stairs, jump into the pool here and get a drink from the bar. You can see it looks like they are still expanding on the place. I've seen some older photos, so they're definitely planning on expanding on the place. But this place is pretty cool, so we are just waiting for something to drink from the bar.
explorers. So this morning we left Machubo Beach Resort and taking the second road we talked about yesterday all the way to Macaneta. How's the road for you?
It feels like you're driving on the beach without the ocean view on the side. The sand is very soft, so I think that's why they say on all the paperwork you need a 4x4 to access this beach lodge. But yeah, this is quite fun if you do have a 4x4, I must say.
So let's see you in Macaneta.
So you guys are probably wondering, where in Mozambique do you see warthogs like that? Well, let me fill in on the story. So yesterday we decided just to pack all our stuff just in case. We packed on the 40-minute drive to Macaneta, which turned into a 2-hour drive. We got a bit lost, but we found the road and ended up at the Marina River Lodge, had a very nice lunch there. And then we made the executive decision to not go all the way back, but head straight to the border and come back to South Africa. So welcome to Marloth Park. Guys, let me just jump in here and add to this story. There's absolutely nothing wrong with Machubo Beach Resort. We just decided to take all our stuff along with us on a trip to Macaneta as we didn't know what the road would look like. And we are glad we did, as there was no way we're going to travel that road safely at 4 o'clock the next morning all the way back to Pretoria. Machubo Beach Resort is definitely a place you want to spend a couple of days at. It's not just a pass-through lodge.
Guys, click on the right top corner for all the information about crossing the border successfully. And welcome to Woodlands on Koran in Marloth Park. This place is absolutely breathtaking. Lekker slaap, thank you so much for helping us with the short notice bookings. So this place can accommodate 6 people, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and every room has its own aircon. It has a bush boma, braai area, a private splash pool, and all the animals feeding.
Guys, we are busy driving out of Marloth Park. This was an absolutely epic trip. Thank you so much for joining us in exploring new places in Mozambique.
Guys, remember, like, subscribe, and explore more.
See you in the next one.